What's good everyone, back to another video, and today's video we're going to be showing you how you can remove or delete one of the accounts from your Instagram application by using an iPhone or Android. Now if you want to delete one of your account from an Instagram application, first up you need to head over to your application. Open this up, and now if you tap on your profile, and then if you tap on this arrow icon right there, then it's going to tell you how many accounts you actually have on our Instagram. So here is guys, we got a 2 account, but you can have more than 2, 3, or 4 accounts, doesn't really matter. Once you're here, all you got to do, just go ahead and tap on your screen just like that, and then tap on your hamburger icon. And afterward, you have to head over to your settings, just scroll down and tap on log out. Now soon after you just tap on the log out, it's going to give you the account option here. Okay, you got to choose which accounts you want to delete, but the best way, just choose all those accounts from here and simply tap log out. Now from here you need to choose specifically which accounts you want to simply delete from your application. Then I'll keep fix36921, but I'll delete the last one. Okay, now simply tap log out from all accounts. Now once you're done that, your account is going to be logged out. Now here's the thing, okay, now if you want to delete that, tap on edit, and now you have to just tap on the cross icon to the account you want to delete. I want to delete the first one called fix369 YouTube, so I'll tap on cross here, and now it's going to give you this prompt. Click on remove, and there you are. Now if I get out of here, so let me close this up and open up the Instagram application once again. Now it's only giving me the one option, one account, so I can simply tap on login. Now even now, if I once again open up my accounts from here, then you'll be able to see there's no account available right now. Well, now if you want to add your account back, of course you can do it, and this is how you can remove or delete your account from your Instagram. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon.